Are you interested in increasing your business productivity and sales when using WhatsApp Web? Check out this product review to find a fantastic offer for you and your company. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. You can supercharge your WhatsApp Web and increase conversions and sales. So why wait? Try it now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.